Hi, this is Kashmunisa Bhagewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Amazon DynamoDB Global Table. So in this session, we will see what is DynamoDB Global Table. We will see one example of this and we will see benefits of this. So let's start. So you may already know DynamoDB is a regional service, and whenever you create a table in a particular region, you can access that table from that particular region only. So if in case you want to have your table available in multiple regions, you can use global table. So global tables enable you to use DynamoDB as a fully managed multi-region, multi-master or multi-active database. A global table is a collection of one or more replica tables all owned by a single AWS account. So you can have your DynamoDB table in multiple AWS regions in a single AWS account. It delivers fast, local, read and write performance for massively scaled global applications. So for global application, global table is the ideal best fit. And if you're having global table with users spread across the globe and you want to have high performance and low latency and your user want to access data from their nearest region, you can use global table and you can have your table in the multiple region at the same time. Every replica has the same table name and the same primary key schema. When an application writes data to a replica table in one region, DynamoDB propagates the write to the other replica tables in the other AWS regions automatically. So when you create a global table, DynamoDB creates the table in that region with the same table name and with the same primary schema. And whenever you insert or update items in any of the replica in any of the region, it will get automatically replicated to the other replicas in the other AWS regions automatically by DynamoDB. Each replica stores the same set of data items. So as it gets DynamoDB replicates all your updates, all your changes in all the regions in the all replica set. So you can have same set of data items in all the replicas. There are no upfront costs for there are no upfront costs or commitments for using global tables, and you pay only for the resource provision. So there is the no upfront cost, and there is only for the storage purpose or whatever you will use the resources, you will get charged. So let's see one example. So this example is from official DynamoDB document. And let's see, suppose that you have a large customer base spread across 3 geographic areas like US, Europe and Asia. Customers can update their profile information by using your application. Suppose in case you are having a global application and you are having users spread across the globe, and they want to use or they want to access data from their nearest region, and you want to have your DynamoDB table in multiple regions. In that case, instead of writing your own code, you could create a global table consisting of your 3 region specific customer profile table. So you can have customer profile table and as a global table, and it will get replicated in all these 3 regions. So suppose in case any user, suppose from user from US update his profile by using this US region, and then that update will automatically get propagated into other regions as well. So in addition, if one of the AWS region were become temporary unavailable, the customer could still access the same customer profile data in the other region. Suppose for any reason, if one of the regions suppose get offline and it is not available, your users can still access their data from another regions also. And if that regions becomes available and when it comes online, DynamoDB starts replicating the changes in that replica, and you can have then same set of data items in all your tables in your multiple regions. So let's see benefits of a global table. So you can read and write locally and access your data globally. It gives you single-digit millisecond latency for your globally distributed applications. It is easy to set up and operate. It gives availability, durability, and multi-region fault tolerance. It gives you consistency and conflict resolution. So suppose in case multiple users from multiple regions are updating a single item, or same item at the same time. In that case, DynamoDB uses last writer wins reconciliation and between the concurrent updates. So DynamoDB considers the last update, and whatever the last update item, it gets replicated to all other replica sets. So these are the benefits of DynamoDB global table, and we will have hands-on demo in our next video. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.